Hi and welcome. My name's Ravi Chagga. I'm an ex-computer science teacher that taught in a secondary school for 15 years. In 2019, I decided to leave the profession after debating for a number of years. I couldn't have picked a worse time if I'd tried. This was pre-pandemic, so nobody knew what was around the corner. My wife and I were expecting our first baby, and I had the pressure of maintaining bills. Now, there are a number of reasons why teachers decide to leave the profession, the most popular being workload and lack of time to spend doing what you enjoy and being around the people you love most. Other reasons include lack of support, poor behaviour management, peers, even children. I'm sure you'll agree the list is endless. My personal reason for leaving the profession was that I wanted more. I wanted to be rewarded greater, I wanted more time, and I also wanted promotion quicker. As head of department for maybe 5 or 6 years, I was generating excellent results, and I can quite confidently say that. They were the best results in the borough, they were well above national average, and I suppose when you are completing a job very well, you are kind of left to your own devices and to get on with your day-to-day job. Quite frankly, I became a little bit bored and I wanted something a little bit more exciting. Thankfully, I'm still involved in education because that's where my core values lie. However, I can afford to work part-time and I have much more flexibility with how I decide to spend my time. The reason for this is that I've found ways to generate additional income without having to do the things that people don't like to do, which is maybe cold calling and having to hard sell products. We found a system, a method where the technology does all of the work for you. So there's minimum time to spend to build your business. Now, we know how important it is to make sure that you are a happy teacher. Why is this so important? And I can relate to this and I can give you various examples of where I've gone into school and I haven't felt motivated. I haven't felt as though my lessons are to the standard where they need to be. Children pick up on this. Children will identify those teachers that want to be there and those that don't. And unfortunately, I could find myself being that teacher that didn't really want to be in the classroom. It wasn't fair on the children. If a teacher is de-energized, if they're lacking motivation, they certainly won't be having that impact on children that they can potentially have. Now, I want you to know there are solutions out there. Whether you wish to leave the profession altogether, maybe you want an additional income on the side, which can de-stress you a little bit. Maybe you can take a step back from the role that you're currently in and have less additional responsibilities, or you may decide to work part-time. The choice really is yours. But what I'd like to do is connect with you, have a call, and where we can pinpoint your next steps. So all you need to do is click the link below and arrange a suitable time where we can discuss your next steps. Thank you.